The Whitsundays are some of Australia's most beautiful islands. A day trip usually consists of a speedboat out to do a bit of snorkeling and grab a quick Instapic on one of the white sand beaches. However, we discovered the far more personalised and environmentally friendly Airlie Beach Day Sailing, where the owner Dale sails up to 8 out to secluded spots to enjoy the sea, sand and some incredible food away from the crowds. We're now out at sea heading towards the Whitsundays. It takes about 2 hours?
Yeah, about 2 hours.
We're kind of just seeing where the day takes us, following Dale's advice of where the best place to go. So our first stop is a little cove on an island where there's some Aboriginal caves and stuff to see. Captain Granny steering us the whole way in. So Dale's dropped us off at the Nara Inlet on Hook Island, and there's no one here, it's just us, which is perfect. So we're just climbing up these rocky steps to where the Aboriginal cave should be. Harriet keeps jumping because she keeps seeing snakes or lizards. I'm in my element here, loving it.
You won't be loving it if a snake comes out.
I might be fighting some snakes soon, according to these guys. So, thousands of years ago, this Nara Inlet used to be part of the Australian mainland coastline, but as the water raised up, it created the Whitsunday Islands, and the Ngara people who lived here had to adapt to island life. And this cultural walk, there's signposts all the way up to the cave, tells you their story. What's incredible is that it's so quiet, there's no one else here, it's just us in this stunning inlet with ancient history and the beautiful blue sea and mountains either side. You know, it really pays off having such a personalised boat tour.
I mean, we have a thin omelette roll with smoked salmon, mayonnaise and sour cream. So, yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Tell me, do you get up early in the morning to prepare all this?
I don't even sleep.
Review.
Literally, I think that's everything.
That one was good.
No,
So
10 out of
good.
10.
They're napkins.
Biodegradable napkins.
Biodegradable, natural,
Okay.
all breakdown, whatnot. And they're brilliant. Great for things like prawns.
Wow. And then,
Then you unwrap it
wow, wow.
Wow.
and you can
Mine
have
is
it pure.
Mind blown. Wow.
There you go, a travel
Just
size
gonna put some in
biodegradable
there.
napkin.
Look at it.
Oh my god, pass it up. Oh my god, so good.
Getting a bit wet, guys.
A little bit.
Well, we had a 5-minute heavy shower, but that did at least clear the clouds a bit and cool it down. And we're now going to head over to a beach to do a bit of paddling. just moored up and we're going to head over to a little beach over there to do a bit of paddling in the sea. That's the first lot going over now in the dinghy boat. However, first of all we have to put on stinger suits because there is a risk of jellyfish and things around here. This is amazing. We're just on this little secluded beach with no one else here. About to go for a little paddle in this pool that's been created by the rocks here. The best thing about this is just how deadly quiet it is. It really is like being on your own deserted island. I think I could definitely get used to this, just laying on the top deck of the boat in the sun, looking at the mountains and the sea. It's very peaceful, very nice. So we've had the most amazing day in the Whitsundays. Definitely one of the best experiences we've had here in Australia. And all the better for the fact that it was such a personalised experience. We weren't on a big tour boat, rushed over and with loads of other people. You know, it was very relaxed. We had some awesome food and had beaches and little secluded walks all to ourselves. Now sailing back into Airlie Beach. The sun's starting to set and there's a beautiful sky. The turquoise blue water is still flowing below us. It's a perfect way to end a perfect day.